The average amount of money Andy, Bill and Chandra had was $35.50. The average amount of money Andy, Bill, Chandra and Dave had was $40. So now there is an extra person, Dave. How much money did Dave have? Now to do this question, we need to realize that in the two scenarios, there are common people involved. Andy, Bill and Chandra. Okay, so the strategy is this. Find the total amount of money that these people have, these three people. Next, find the total amount of money that A, B, C and D has, and then do a subtraction. Okay, so let's write the steps. Total amount for Andy, Bill and Chandra. That will be equals to $35.50 times 3. 35.50 times 3, $106.50. $106.50. Now we do the same thing for the other statement. Andy, Bill, Chandra and Dave. So that would be $40 times 4. That would be $160. Alright? So take note, we have already gotten the total for A, B and C. Now we have the total for A, B, C and D. So if you do a subtraction, you will get the difference, which is for Dave. $160 minus 106.5, and that will give us an answer of $53.50. Okay, now if you're not sure why is it a subtraction, here let me explain using a model. Okay, so we have A, B and C here. A, B and C, we have the total, right? We have the total for these people is 106.5. And the next statement we have A, B, C and D. Okay, which is of course a bigger amount. Okay, that will be $160. And the difference between these two will of course be for Dave. That's why we did a subtraction. Final answer for this question, $53.50.